Need transcription, translation, and voiceover for your content? Most people end up hopping between different platforms, one for transcriptions, another for translations, and yet another for voiceovers. That takes time, creates confusion, and often leaves you with inconsistent results. At Konch, we've made it simple. First, we gave you accurate transcriptions. Then, we added translations to help you reach global audiences. And now, we've completed the circle with our newly launched human voice-over services. Everything you need, all in one place. Let's see how you can request a human voice-over directly from the Konch website. From the home page, head over to the Solutions page. Here, alongside transcription and translation, you'll now find our voice-over service, making Konch your one-stop solution. Click on the request form. This is where you share your project details so our team can create the perfect voice-over for you. Fill in your name, email, project type, preferred language, and voice style. Because everything is managed within Konch, your voice-over request stays connected to your transcriptions and translations. No need to juggle multiple tools. Once you've filled in the details, just hit submit. Our team will review your request and get in touch to deliver a professional human-recorded voiceover, without you ever needing to leave Konch. So why go to 3 different platforms when Konch gives you everything in one? Visit konch.ai today and bring your content to life with Konch human voice-over services.